outfit which I am going to wear now. I'm going to film a kind of a transition. So let's start. So first I use this Nivea का moisturizer. तो मैंने इसे थोड़ा सा डैप डैप कर लिया है। और अभी मैं यूज़ करने वाली तो मैं घर पे ही शूट करने वाली, पर फिर भी मैं सनस्क्रीन लगा रही हूँ। आई डोंट नो व्हाई शुड आई स्किप। let's do it. और एक फ़ोन होना चाहिए था मेरे पास, गाने लगा के डांस करती हूँ। सो मैं थोड़ा सा ही सनस्क्रीन यूज़ करती हूँ, इतनी सा। ओके, सो आई डिवाइड इट ऑन माई दीज 4 fingers इक्वली, थोड़ा सा। और मैं थोड़ा सा इधर 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 नाक पे थोड़ा सा and you have to gently apply on your face, not too harsh. Okay, so मेरी आदत है कि मैं आँख बंद करके मेकअप करती हूँ, लाइक एट टाइम्स, नॉट वेरी ऑफनली, बट या मतलब मैं ना ब्लश कैसे लगाती हूँ, आई डू लाइक, आई नो कि बिना देखे ब्लश है, थोड़ा मंद बंद हो क्या आप, हाँ थोड़ी तो हूँ। I now use this MAC का फाउंडेशन, इसका शेड वेड कुछ लिखा नहीं होता क्या, एनीवेज हू केयर्स, यूज़ दिस अगर आप यूज़ करना है। बहुत अच्छा है वैसे तो, अच्छा कवरेज दे रहा है, तो आई यूज़ इट। सर यूज़ इतनो सा ऑन माई हैंड एंड देन I'll just take this sponge and dab 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 थोड़ा सा, and then I'll apply it under my eyes, my cheekbones और my nose जहाँ पे डार्क स्पॉट्स दिख रहे हैं वहाँ पे भी, and then on my forehead. Also main part is your neck, तो obviously neck पे भी बोबड़ी बैठते हैं हमारे। इग्नोर दिस इज़ माई मम्मा पापा का ड्रीम चार्ट, जिस पे हमको स्कूटर लेना था, पर माई फादर डिडंट टेक इट बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी हैड वन, तो दूसरा लेने का कोई मतलब नहीं था। देन इन 5th October 2026, दैट इज़ ऑन माई बर्थडे, my brother actually wanted a bike, like a sports bike or any bike. So वहाँ पे लिखा है कि KTM 200 चाहिए उसको, बट अभी पता नहीं। And there is diamond necklace which is for me. That's on 20th October 2027, and एक 3 बीच का फ्लैट लेना है, वो है on 13th August 2029. Okay, so 13th August is my dad's birthday. तो हम लोग स्कूटर भी तभी लेने वाले थे, और ये फ्लैट और जो भी लाइक घर है वो भी। और 5th October, या दैट इज़ आवर बर्थडे, लाइक हम ट्विंस हैं तो हमारा बर्थडे 5th October को अक्टूबर को रहता है, और 20th इज़ माई मदर्स बर्थडे। सो वी हैव डिवाइडेड इक्वली कि कौन सा कब लेना है। Actually, I thought कि I'll take something for my parents and my uncle and auntie जब मेरा जॉब का सैलरी आएगा। बट भाई मेरे गाली आ रहा है मेरे मुंह से। ओके, सो अच्छे से डैब हो गया, इफ़ यू कैन क्लियरली सी। मेरा कैमरा डोंट यूज़ कंसीलर बिकॉज वो बहुत वाइट हो जाता है ना। अभी मैं कहाँ बाहर नहीं जा रही है, तो विल स्किप द कंसीलर पार्ट एंड विल ब्यूटी का कॉम्पैक्ट पाउडर। हाँ, मैं सब अलग अलग ब्रांड्स का यूज़ करती हूँ, तो ये इतना मतलब इतना ज़्यादा भी अच्छा नहीं है, मतलब मे बी ये मेरा शेड का नहीं रहेगा या फिर ऐसा कुछ होगा, इतना भी कुछ खास नहीं है मतलब। मेरे को तो कुछ डिफरेंस नहीं लगता है जब मैं ये लगाती हूँ, खाली थोड़ा सा साफ साफ लगता है। लाइक साफ। Anyways, okay, okay. So now we gonna do blushy. So I have blush blindness. So if you're watching this video and you think that I am putting too much of blush, then I don't care. जब से ये चालू हुआ है मैं तो यही करती रहती हूँ. So I usually mix these two blushes. This is from Blush, Fully Rose Cosmetics something, and I usually use these two shades because ये clearly मैंने ख़त्म कर दिया है use कर करके. So I just do one and then apply on my cheeks. So I usually go like from here till here, and then I just smudge it like this. And then again I do this. Sorry. And then I go upper side ऐसे. And then I take another dow and just apply it on my nose as well. Of course, like ब्लश को नोज पे भी यूज़ करते हैं भाई. मतलब अगर आप नहीं करते तो मेरी करती है क्या? अच्छा इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा दिख रहा है. एनीवेज आई एम सॉरी, मैंने नाक पे ज़्यादा लगा दिया. आई एम सो सॉरी. इसमें दिख रहा है कि मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा लगाया फक, बट वो ट्रांजिशन पे है. मतलब मेरे कैमरा पे इतना नहीं दिखता है जब आई शूट, बिकॉज वो लाइट्स रहते हैं तो ऑब्वियसली इट गेट्स camouflaged. I'm thinking of using bluish kind of lighting today. I don't know, like मेरा जो स्मूथ बना है कि मैं वो वाला कर दूँ. Fuck. Just a minute. Okay, I'm back. So I'm thinking of doing white on my inner corners and थोड़ा सा smudge करके. I'm thinking of using orangish or like something in pink shade or in orange shade. I actually don't have eye makeup का वो खो गया. Fuck. मैं उल्टा यूज़ कर रही थी. हंसने जैसी बात नहीं है कोई, समझिए ना. Anyways, which should I use? I have this Chorusa palette, very handy. You can use it anywhere. Okay, again this is of Fully Rose Fashion eyeshadow. I also have this beautiful, gorgeous palette, and I don't know from where it is. Okay, this is from Savannah Colors, if you can see, and they have some beautiful glitter kind of situation going on. So it is like this, like oh my god, I fucking love this palette. I also have another one which is again from Savannah Colors. It's a Precious Kid Soft and Sexy eyeshadow collection, and it does have like sexy, like literally sexy. It only has like in the shade of pinkish, like like soft, very soft tones. It also has. I am so sorry. Actually मेरा फ़ोन गिर गया तो. Anyways, so I'm thinking, as I said, that I'm going to use whitish नहीं use करते, तो थोड़ा सा ना orange use करते. I'm using this Falling Star, which is this one, and I'm just going to apply it in my inner corners. Okay, fine. I look so funny. Anyways, who cares? I am funny. Okay. Again on the second eye as well. Just apply it middle तक ही, like not एकदम अंदर and not एकदम बाहर, like बीच में. You see this? I've applied more over here because थोड़ा सा कम दिख रहा है मेरे को. Okay, I think that's enough for now. I'll apply it again अगर थोड़ा कुछ वीडियो बनाते हैं. Okay, I have used this in my inner corners and I'm thinking of using so it should look like थोड़ा सा warm tone में जा रहा है kind of. So I think I also had another palette but वो palette दिखाने के लायक नहीं है, so I think we should skip that. Anyways, this is again an orange tone. इस पे ये इसका लिखा नहीं है like which fuck दिख रहा ही नहीं है. lol what the fuck do I use now? Should I just use this good mood wala? Okay, this texture is really good though. I'm using good mood and pink freeze together just to dab here. And I don't know what the fuck is wrong with this palette. Okay, I'm also using Cinderella. Okay, just trust the process. Even I don't know where it is going, but I think okay. Not bad. Like I know it's not going, but still like. What the fuck? Why do I look so bhootani? Okay, so if you know me, I don't know how to apply a liner. So sorry. I can't use liner because I don't know how to use it. I've tried multiple times to put liner, but नहीं होता भाई मेरे से. ऐसा कोई एक काम नहीं है जो मेरे को एकदम स्मूथली आता हो. Okay, so I kind of love my eye makeup. It's like so dewy. Let's do jewelry, I guess, or the lips. I think first the jewelry. Just a minute. So I'm thinking of wearing either like proper silver accessories or like. I guess I've tried yellow multiple times over this outfit, so I think I'm gonna use jhumkas, which are like pure oxidized jhumkas. So I'm thinking of wearing these, but these are too like very, like fat. So I think I'm gonna use something else. I wanted those beautiful, gorgeous, heavy jhumkas, but I don't have them eventually. So I think. Should I just put these green colored ones like contrast में अगर if you want like so yellow goes really well with green and I already have my odni मेरा दुपट्टा oh my god these were दुपट्टा शादी हो तुमसे कभी नहीं ऐसे मेरी मम्मी बोलती थी. This was her favorite dialogue, like शादी हो तुमसे. Okay, these looks kind of pretty. Where's my hollow cheekbones? So I'm sticking to these because they look really very cute. Very pretty as well. So I think I'm gonna go with these. Loading this on my YouTube channel. So I've already uploaded one vlog kind of thing. So for hairs, I'm just going to okay. So I think this would go really well with pink rose, which I have at my house, and I'm gonna use that as well. Okay, fine. So I'm going to do nothing with my neck because it already has this kind of embroidery, which is really cute. And yeah, this is how I keep my clothes. So a moment for the clothes. And I also have this cutie, which I got from Bangkok. I usually don't share my lip combo, but I'll do it now. So I'm using this Masca Age of Desire lip liner in the shade 04 Scandalous Brown. I love brown lip liners. I actually want to get a burgundy one, but इसका मिलता नहीं आ रहा है so. Silk quickly just do the outline. Highlights. I So I guess I'm pretty done. Then we'll use careful. Lipstick in the shade Nailed It. I'm just going to apply it thoda sa, I guess, not this one. I have another. Okay, so this is in the shade Brecker Lake. So I usually use this one like more oftenly. So I'll just take this and just you don't have to like smudge all the way. And then just do it a couple of times and that's it, you're good to go. Okay, so I'm using the Masca Toffee Twirl lip gloss, which is like really amazing, and I've already like used almost 2 or 3 bottles of it, so this is the third or the fourth one. I removed the excess part because or else बहुत ये हो जाता है, and I don't like wasting my lip glosses, like not at all. So I remove the most of the excess part and just take a on the upper side as well, just to give that shine. You see that? And I guess you're good to. I'm using that light pink wala rose, so I think I'm just going to. Something's missing. I guess it's my my bindi. Okay, so I got the bindi as well. I'm thinking of wearing a nose ring because I found it. And I have this rose. A moment for the rose, guys. इसमें सियारा आई मस्कारा अखियाँ लगाई रखना मेरी जान मेरे नान नान